Hey, so I'm Noah Queen. I played Sam in Sound of Faith, and he was the bully to Nathan, the main character. Sam really just wanted what Nathan had, and his whole thing was trying to be mean and beat up everybody, especially Nathan. So I brought my character Sam to life because, ironically, I'm a very good improvising actor. So I have done theater my entire life, and I have had to pull myself out of my comfort zone in order to become a really great actor. Sometimes I get to be my goofy self, but other times I have to get really serious and down to the point. And with Sam, I had to pull something out of me that I never thought I would have, and that's anger. Yeah, I've been upset in the past, but I've never been really the type to go and shove people.
Because how I hit Nick, we hit.
It's a tie for my favorite memory on set. Probably my favorite, I would say, two favorite memories are mine and Nick's synergy. It's just weird how me and Nathan, aka Nick, got along so well, and as we made our roles work, because Nick honestly is probably the more short-tempered of me and him if it comes to anger. And it's just funny how we were reversed roles, but definitely a second place would be cosplaying as a minion and just breaking it down to the song Happy by Pharrell Williams. You won't find it anywhere else. You will not find pure humor like you do on the set of Sound of Faith.
The telephone!
Something that really surprised me is just the entire process of making the movie. I know movies are hard to make, and I have heard of how hard it is behind the scenes, but behind the scenes of the Sound of Faith set, it's insane on how much work really goes in to making a movie. How many takes they had to take, making sure that the actors were fed, watered, making sure that everyone was stable. Mics were ready, places were set, even finding some people to be extras in the movie was a challenge as it is. So definitely the movie making process, it definitely inspired me to possibly want to do that myself in the future.
2, 1.
The number one thing I'm very excited to see out of this project is definitely my friend get to do what he wants with his life and become an expert in making movies and all that. I definitely am happy to have been a part of this movie and be a part of it with everyone that has been a part of it. And definitely the greatest thing of all time was making new friends, people that I never expected to meet, and somehow made a family out of what little time we had. That is probably what I would take away from Sound of Faith forever. Bye, guys.